All right. So I asked it, it says add Stripe customer and subscription information to the user profiles. I said, I'm trying to understand how the app will work first. Is it set up so that a business can pay the $2.99 and then create an administration account and have clients sign up under them, and then another business can also come and do the same? Or is it set up for one business to come and sign up to use it, which is the difference between a multi-tenant and a single-tenant site? And so then I clicked it to put it in plan mode, not build mode, so that it won't haul off and doing anything. It says, you're asking a great architectural question. Let me call in an expert to analyze how the current application is structured and clarify whether it's designed as a single tenant or multi-tenant. Analyze the architectural design. Agent ran into an error. Decided on dashboard file architecture. Because I think it's blending the two right now. Let me look for the correct dashboard files and try to understand the architect from what's available. Analyze loyalty platform multi-tenancies architecture. Decided on multi-tenant platform design. 6 seconds. Based on the analysis of your current code base, yes, this is designed as a multi-tenant platform where multiple businesses can each sign up and operate independently. Here's how it works. Multi-tenant architecture, multiple businesses. Businesses can pay the $2.99 subscription fee, create their own admin account. If this works, this is crazy. And I did just hear Matt from Replit talk about, really, I said the other day that you should do sections. Well, that's what I heard Matt say. But today, I caught part of the live stream saying that is the whole big deal with Agent 3. He was saying that's why he was keep emphasizing it can run for hours, is because it can actually do the whole project at one time without you having to intervene and do sections like I did starting this app, actually. But also, multi-tenant was a questionable feat a few weeks ago. And now it's saying that this is set up that way, and so far it's been kind of like smooth sailing. So this is going to be very interesting. And if Replit pulls this off without a hiccup, that's amazing. And I might not even use Go High Level. I might just go ahead on. Well, we'll see. Set up their own completely different loyalty program, have their own separate customer base, zero access to business A data from one business to the other. How the data separation works: each business is completely isolated. Customers are limited to specific business ID. They only see rewards promotions from their associated business. Rewards and promotions belong to one business only. It's emphasizing that heavily, isn't it? Points transactions are scoped to the business customer relationship. Feedback is business specific. Go High Level integration works per business. Each business can use their own Go High Level account. Perfect. Perfect. That is exactly. Wait a minute. Okay, so I guess this. All right, so this is interesting. So how does this current? That's what I said earlier. Well, you didn't hear that video yet, but it was based on me like forking and doing separate versions of this. But it's telling me. So evidently, did I say it? I thought about saying it. Evidently, it has a place in the admin area where they can put in their own API, I suppose. And this API is just running the total program, which this is where AI voice would be. So like if they contacted me about the customer loyalty program, the voice AI can answer all of the questions. They don't necessarily need voice AI. Now they can get voice AI if they want voice AI, but you don't have to have voice AI. So let's see. Customers are linked to, I already said that. Go High Level, I already said that. Architecture, fully multi-tenant ready. Data isolation, complete separation between businesses is emphasizing and allow. Subscription enforcement, the payment gates aren't fully implemented yet. Yeah. All right. So to directly answer your question, this is definitely multi-tenant, not single tenant. Multiple coffee shops, retail stores, restaurants, etc. can each pay their own subscription. New autonomy levels, customize how independently agents work on your project and how frequently it reviews its own code. Huh, interesting. What's that all about? Oh boy. Hi. App testing, new. This is something I turned off the other day as well. Autonomy level, high, medium, max. Plans and completes new work independently. Web search, image generation, won't need that yet. All right, so very interesting. Okay, so, all right. Pardon me for a minute. I have to check on this message. Okay, we're back. All right, so this is going to be very interesting. It says it is a multi-tenant project. Let's see if we can create an account. So far, so good. Now, let's see. I don't know how this is really going to work since I'm not paying. I don't have admin dashboard. Browse. Then how do I present it to clients? Okay. So if I create an account, will I be a business or what? Start as a customer by default. Here's how the flow works. Registration process. Sign up. You become a customer automatically. You get a customer dashboard. Okay, that's a dashboard. You can earn redeem points associated with a business. Well, that's what I'm saying. How? Upgrade the business. After registration, you can become a business owner. There's a separate business setup process. You create your loyalty program details. So, as a regular person, you just sign up to a rewards program. In general, that don't really make sense. Individual user, customer account, business setup, business owner. This means coffee shop owners register as customers first. Then upgrade the business. Their customers also register as customers and stay customers. That doesn't seem too efficient. A general person signs up for no reason or for no specific benefit, since benefits are connected with a business. Each app should be business facing, will be promoted to businesses who want this program to offer to their customers, clients. So it should start with them paying Oh, do I got a free tier? Oh, that's why it's saying that, because we have a free tier. How did that? Okay, how did these tiers work again? That's what I'm forgetting. With them paying, yeah, okay, yeah, paying. Oh, that's right. The free tier is just for customers. Or was it? Oh, that's the color. I mean, We got a 404 on the offers. Oh, that's because the business set up the offers, I guess, for the page. Here's the PRD. Business owner signs up and configures their reward program through the admin dashboard. That's what it says. That's the flow. User journey. Well, customers create accounts and view their available points and rewards. Yeah, but number one, business owner signs up and configures their reward program. Now, where is the pricing? $50 a month for external services. Oh, that's the expected cost. Stripe integration for subscription billing, set up recurring billing for premium, revenue tracking, billing subscription management. I forgot the details as far as charging. Oh, there it is. Share PRD. Let me see if it works. Nope. So let's put this in there and see what happens. If I remember correctly, let's see where we off at. It'll correct me if I'm missing something. Should it start with them? So it should start with them paying. What am I missing here? Let's see what happens. Plan. You're absolutely right. You've identified a fundamental flaw in the current user flow. This is indeed backwards. This is indeed backwards for a business-facing application. The problem with the current flow: random person creates an account, becomes a customer. To who? Customer has no business to associate with. No points, no rewards, no benefits. Maybe they upgrade to business later, pay subscription. This makes no sense because customers have no reason to sign up without a business already offering the program. It creates empty customer accounts with no value. The business isn't paying up front as they should. Wait. Oh, what it should be. Business first. Now I have to create the payment tiers at Stripe. Maybe that's part of the confusion. I don't know. Business sets up their loyalty program. Business promotes their existing customers. To their existing customers, join our new loyalty program, which means we also immediately get benefits. Which means we also need a customer-facing sign-up page. Sets up coffee rewards with points, blah, blah, blah. And also, if you have a customer sign-up page, I mean, that's why I thought I had said single-tenant, because now you got to have a dashboard for the admins to be able to edit these pages that are customer-facing as well. Customer download app, visit website specifically for that coffee shop. Right. Customers immediately start earning points. Right. You're not missing anything. The current flow needs to be redesigned. Okay. So now we're in the planning. So I'm going to keep a planning to add, make sure. And we also need to make sure that there is a landing page that each business admin can, design a little. We are not going crazy here. Maybe colors. Oh my. Calm down. Okay? Just calm down. Maybe colors, heading, logo, upload, profile, picture for admin. Normal stuff that most businesses would expect to be seen by clients when running such a program. And clients, users should, of course, also have a dashboard that lets them upload. Are we doing that? An image, show their name, email, phone number. I guess I need to put in the go high level form. Well, we got the API. Yeah, do we need it? We don't need that because you can pass the info through with the API. And what was I saying? Oh, this is why I was thinking. I mean, but it says in the PRD, the multi-tenant info, basically. But somewhere along the line, I guess I expanded it. But when I originally gave the $2.99, I was talking about the user, the client, customer, could sell their. Yeah, I might have to watch this video again. But I remember talking about the customer could sell their car wash QR code and end up not paying anything for the month. I mean, for 4 months or more or less. Miso mas. Anyway, excuse me. Having said that, oh, I know what it was. That's what it was. It's multi-tenant, but it's just for one industry. And it's saying different industries, but it's one industry. That's why the $2.99 works. Not restaurant, like it's saying and all that. You know, you will want to be able to customize it better for certain types of businesses. All right. Okay, now let's calibrate this thing. That's what happens when you're working on too many different things. I just now figured out the confusion on my part and probably lack of communication for effective development going forward if I had not just remembered. Okay. This is multi-tenant. However, it is to serve one industry. That is mobile detail. Because we should have industry specific concepts included. For example, I remember saying, hopefully to the AI and not to myself, that with that a business pays pays $2.99 to me for an account. The business offers a free rewards program to his or her customers. Sure. But it can also offer a paid tier. In that paid tier, there each business, now this might get it might make it crazy. Each business's customers can choose to buy a package, which basically are car washes up front. Say $2.99 per year for 12 car washes. They don't carry over. However, each person could sell their car washes to someone else because it is attached to the QR code, not the name or number. This makes it very valuable to the business because it pays for itself. Wait, I just remembered. The business has tiers. $2.99 is just to have the program. $4.99 is to have the ability to offer the client the paid tier that I just described, which means they can make money with the program as well as creating customer loyalty. They get a built-in subscription system. Triple their business valuation by using our rewards program. And their customers win because they can pay in advance, get their entire details paid for most months of the year by reselling 2 or 3 months. Anyway, does all of this make sense? And is it somewhere in the PRD? $4.99. Fair enough. I mean, more than fair enough. Because just think, you get 10 customers paying $2.99. You're only paying $4.99 to have this functionality. Uh, let's see. That's just rewards. All right. Then 6, 6, 6.99. You get scheduling of customers as well. And the ability to have AI voice answer the phone. $6.99. Yo, what? Huh? Huh? Hold on. Well, might be time to go back to the DRs. Might just up the street there. I don't know what happened. Don't ask me. But uh, and the ability to have AI voice answer the phone. All right, so let's see. And you see this button right here? This is new with Agent 3, but this planning phase means that they won't be doing anything until we take it and put it into the build phase. So let's discuss what's going on here and get a grasp on where we are. This is going to be interesting because, like I said, at this point, I can't remember exactly what I talked about. That's the reason for the part of the reason for saving the PRD. But wow, this is a major clarification that completely that completely changes the scope and direction. You're absolutely right. This makes total sense and explains why the current flow felt backwards. Would you just clarify industry-specific mobile detailing, not general loyalty? Car wash package, detailing services, QR code-based transferable washes, industry-specific terminology and workflows. I have to go back to that video and see what was pointed out. Multi-tier business model, $2.99 basic loyalty program only, $4.99 paid customer package. Business can sell car wash subscription. Okay, right. $6.99 scheduling system and AI voice phone answering. Now, I got to figure out something because they can just we'll just add. You can buy that service. Let's put that there. You can buy that service and add it to. I got to add that. I got to put that in there. So $2.99 basic loyalty program only, and you can add that service for another. All right, I think we got to raise $2.99. Well, you can add that service. Oh, I got it. You can add that service for $400. I mean, for $200, and not get the paid customer packages. Or you can add the paid customer packages. Or, all right, so this tier system is flawed that way. What do you think about this? Let me pause it, matter of fact. Okay, so, oh, I'm talking to y'all. I'm thinking I'm talking to the agent. Okay, so I have an idea on the pricing tiers. Maybe instead of tiers per se, each thing is $297. right? Not $299. So to have the program is $297. To add voice AI, it is another $297. To add the ability to charge customers, not charge customers, to give customers the ability to buy plans is another $297. Oh, wait, is also $297. The ability to charge, to give customers the ability to buy plans to prepay car washes is $297. However, if they bundle and get any, get any, well, let's keep it simple. You have to get the rewards program. That's what we're selling. Now you can add the voice scheduling. Well, some people might not want the rewards and just want the voice scheduling. This is very, very cheap. So if they bundle and get any two, it's $500. $497. Any, all three is $697. $697. Each business will have admin dashboard where they will or put their Go High Level API. So they will have their customer contact info and email functions that comes with higher tier and AI if they want it. There is a $1,500 setup, one-time setup fee from my master admin. Setup fees can be waived. Well, also, discounts can be given to admins for, well, no, it is and just like admins, businesses rewards their customers for sharing their program to their friends for discounts and credits. The admin businesses will be in my rewards program for business owners, where they can get credits for the program and signing up other detail shops. Of course, the admin of businesses should also be able to list their own services and prices and be able to generate event messages to send to their client users. For example, flash sales. Maybe on a weekend they want to make X amount of dollars, or on their slowest days they want to generate extra dollars. They can do that on all tiers to keep it simple. Yeah. And high value. What else am I forgetting? If there is a gap in my concept, please bring it to my attention. I noticed the PRD mentioned social media something integration. None of that is necessary. Only the ability to share to social media. Oh yeah, make sure we have meta tags, open graph, and admin of each business should be set up so that when they share their rewards program, it displays their uploaded business related image or whatever image does they want to represent their program. Oh, this makes sense. Program. And is it, let's see, feasible, or is it too complex for Replit Agent 3? Oh, 3. QR code. Oh yeah, let's see. He done did all that work and I'm changing it up already. AI voice integration for $6.99 tier. Business first onboarding, currently backwards. Good news is we can adapt the current foundation rather than rebuild. We'll see. Go. Let's see what happens, y'all. This is a huge remodel. This is a brilliant refinement of the pricing model. The modular approach with bundle discounts is much more flexible and valuable. Let me call in an expert to assess the feasibility and complexity. Let's really put Agent 3 to the test. Wait a minute, it's still in planning mode. Business first onboarding process. I'm focusing on a business first onboarding process that requires bloop, 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 bloop. This is a brilliant refinement of the okay. This is absolutely fantastic, feasible, and your concept. Okay, good. I'm glad to hear it's feasible. This is absolutely feasible, and your concept is excellent. The modular pricing model with bundle discounts is much stronger than rigid tiers. Here's the assessment. Feasibility, fully manageable. Your concept works perfectly with the current tech stack. The architect confirms this completely as well. Complexity is well within range for a development approach. It's sophisticated but not overwhelming. Your concept analysis nearly perfect. What's brilliant? Modular pricing, $297 per feature. Bundle discounts. Business first onboarding with payment gating. Master admin controls, fee waivers, discounts. Business-to-business referral program for business growth. Go high level per business. They manage their own API keys. Social sharing with branded meta tags. Flash sales for all tiers. Keeps it simple. High value architect approach. Feature entitlement instead of rigid tiers. Incremental implementation reduces risk. Bundle pricing via Stripe. 2 features, $497. 3 features, $697. Is that what I said? Master admin dashboard for platform management. Small gaps to address. Okay. Service catalog management. Yeah. Need user interface for businesses to list their detailed services and pricing. Setup fee tracking. Need to track who's paid versus waived. The 1500 setup. Business to business credit system. Need ledger for referral credits and rewards. Voice AI integration. Need to plan the actual AI phone system. Can start with Stub. Okay. Well, I need to ask because I'm thinking AI API will help. Wait a minute. Yeah, just go high level and just use the phone and use the yeah. That's no problem. They will have to get a number. I forgot to say that part. They will have to get a number with their go high level account. Everybody's gonna have a go high level account, but they got to also get a phone. If they want that functionality, they got to get a phone. Phase 1, modular checkout, feature gating, flash sales. Phase 2, go high level per business plus social sharing. Phase 3, business to business referrals and master admin controls. Phase 4, customer prepaid package, QR code. Well, all of them gets the QR codes because they still get rewarded for sharing the business reward program, whether the business has no matter what tier the business has. So I got to tell you that. All right. Okay. All of the clients, customers, get QR codes that are affiliated with okay, let me say it the other way. All business each business will give each business's customers all will get that's not worded well at all. For each business, every customer, put it that way. For each business, all of their customers will get QR codes so that the client, their customers can share the program and accumulate reward points. And this is no matter the tier or what do you call it? Is it still called tiers? Modular pricing. No matter the tier or bundle or package they decide to go with. What else am I missing? Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Master admin dashboard for platform management. That's mine, right? Yes. Okay. This is no matter the tier or bundle. 11:40, man, I'm going to bed. And let Replit go. So after this, then I switch it to build mode. we'll just let Replit go. And I go to sleep mode. Perfect. That's an excellent addition. That makes the referral system much more powerful. This makes perfect sense because every customer becomes a brand ambassador with their referral QR. Businesses get organic growth from customer sharing, customers having incentives to promote the detailer, works on all tiers, even basic 297 businesses get viral growth. Exactly. Separates referral rewards from service transfers, clean architecture. Implementation impact. This means we need referral QR code generation for every customer sign up, referral tracking system to award points, QR scanning for referrals separate from service redemption, points ledger for referral rewards, perhaps a leaderboard. Did I say that? This fits perfectly with the modular architecture and actually strengthens the value proposition of even the basic 297 tier. Exactly. That's what we're doing. Every business gets a built-in viral growth mechanism through their customers. Should I continue implementing this enhanced QR referral system as part of the core platform features? Yes, do. Now I want to do I just say yes and it switches on its own, or do I need to switch it? I guess let's see how it works. Yes. These do. I feel like there was something that I missed that I meant to point out. Let's see if it switches over to build on its own. There it is. So it puts that out there for you to click on start building. Yes, let's start building. And then switched it from plan to build. So that's the flow for the process that keeps you from being, stuck waiting for it to do something and it's waiting for you to put it in plan. It has that prompt there for you to click on. That's good. That's good user interface. I see you're ready to build this out. Looking at your mobile detailing platform, the QR referral system is a game changer. Every customer becomes a brand ambassador. That's a reason for the referral program. This referral system is a game changer. Every customer will give immediate viral growth potential to even the basic 297 tier business. Hey, it's got to be high value. Perfect. The current system is running well. Now I'll implement the QR referral system as a core feature. This will give every customer a powerful way to grow their business's loyalty program through viral sharing. QR referral system implementation. What this delivers, every customer gets a unique QR code to share their loyalty program, earning points for successful referrals. I hadn't mentioned it before, but let's see if these QR codes are going to be business specific, which they should be. How else you're going to accumulate the points within a organization? First purchase, major first purchase. Great, the referral schema is now set up. Let me check the current logs and then update the storage interface. Perfect, the application is running smoothly. Now let me update the storage interface to handle referral operations. I wonder how long it's going to take. Oregano, very strong. And not medical advice, but look up the health benefits of oregano. And if you are an investor, look at the name on this bottle. You may have also seen subscription service to alternative, programming on television. So, what's the other guy name? Carson. Man, I can't think of his name. Black guy who has the same type of programming. Talk about the mythological and talking about UFOs and other stuff. That's much more important than UFOs, but I can't really think about all this stuff. But while we're waiting on this to do that, it's just stuff around me that could provide you more insight. Like even for investing in this company right here, I feel like I ain't gonna say it's gonna get where Netflix is at, but Netflix, although it was the first mover advantage on the way that it moved, but the way Netflix is positioned in programming this company and cost. Okay, I got it. Anyway, these two are the biggest organizations with this type of programming as well. So I think this company is about to be profitable. I'm saying this like if you're interested in investing in something that might be good for you to look into. Stock is only about $5 or $6 right now per share. Probably going to be $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70 one day. Subscription model, just like what we're talking about, subscription model. And a reasonable size moat, I think. Hey, not financial advice, obviously. I'm just wasting time. This is something you might want to look into to see if you're interested in it. Now, meanwhile, what color do y'all think this should be? I'm not thrilled about the green, but I'm not going to worry about that yet. Let's see if we can get this functional first. Excellent. The QR referral system is successfully implemented and running. I thought they said that a long time ago, actually. Critical fixes needed. Missing API referral stats endpoint. Missing join page. Oh, that's what I meant to tell it. You got to have it. Yeah. Join page. Yeah. For each business, for their customers, you got to have. That is one of the things that I forgot to point out, but I think it's going to figure that out by itself. Perfect. I now need to add the join page routes to the main app. And for the type errors, and fix the errors. That's lack of activity. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Have it turned on. Oh, autonomy level high, but not max. Plans and complement completion of work independently. Excellent. The app is running well. Let me run a final test to confirm the QR referral system is fully functional with the database tables now created. Testing your app. Customer referral program testing. All right, y'all. I don't know how long this is going to go, but we're not going to find out. I'm about to stop the video. Let this keep going, and we'll come back together on the next one. Thank y'all for coming by. If you want me to keep going, I got to change that mobile detailing. We're just going to say detailing, not mobile detailing. Don't want to corner them into being mobile. Any detail car wash can use this platform. It's suitable for all. Let's get 10 monthly. All across the nation. All right. Y'all have a good night.